Welcome back, keyboards. We are going to do Smoke on the Water, starting with a nice easy version that uses 3 notes. Okay, so to do this you just need to know roughly a few notes, D, F and G. So let's start with C. So you can find C to the left of any 2 black keys. 2 black keys at C. 2 black keys at C. C is always there, just to the left of any 2 black keys. And now 5 notes. C, D, E, F, G. That's really easy, that you use in lots of songs in your piano book. So if you don't know those 5 notes, just stop and then just, have a little, practice of them. C, D, E, F, G, and come back. Okay, so you know D, F, G? D, F, G. I might switch to thumb to start here. D, F, G. D, F, double G. And then D, F, G, finishing with F, D. So it's D, F, G, and then D, F, G, G, and then D, F, G, F, D. So, you could be playing along now, or you could pause it and just practice it on your own. Try to memorize it. You don't really need to write it down because it's just 3 notes. It's D, F, G, and then D, F, double G, and then the same, finishing with. Okay, so you might be a little bit confused or getting jumbled up with the order of the notes. Don't worry. Go and have a listen to the song and just hum along and see if you can follow those changes. Now, one extra note we're going to add to spice it up is the A flat. Now, A flat is found in the middle of any 3 flat keys. So here there's 3 flats, the middle one is A flat. Here there's 3 flats, the middle one is A. 3 flats, the middle flat is always A flat. So not that hard to find. We're going to go like this. D, F, G, and then on the second time we're going to go A flat G. D, F, G, F, D. But we're going to make that A flat a bit smoother. We're going to make it nice and smooth. So one more time. D, F, G, and then D, F, A flat G. D, F, G, F, D. Okay, now to make it sound nice and punchy, you can try coming off the beat like this. Try to accent the rest. That makes it sound really good as well. 1, 2. That'll be more clear when you practice it with the metronome or when you play with the band. Now that's not too hard to do. Now the next part is going to be just this. Just those notes, D and G. We're going to play them 4 times or so, and then we're going to go down to the C and the F. Those notes should be pretty easy to find, and then back to the D and the G. And we count it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the chords part for the verse of the song. So you know the intro, which is the main catchy riffy part that's good to play on guitar or keyboard, and then the verse. So to cover the verse you just do these 2 notes, which are D and G, 2, 2. You're coming off beat there and then going to this one and then back to that one. Sounds good if you just do a staccato there. Then going down to F, then back to D and G. So that's the verse, okay? Super good. Now, the chorus, when the guy goes, smoke on the water. There we're going to do some slightly different chords here. This first one's very easy, it's just C with E. And you've probably done that in quite a few other songs already. So C with E, that is a 2-note chord that sounds really nice, and then we're going to go to the E flat. So that's going to create a different chord. It's going to sound really nice. So the first one is C. We can just hold it. And then we can go to C with E flat, a different sounding third. What we call a minor third. And then we're going to go back to chord 1. In this case, which is D and G. And then back to our new chord, C. And then with the E flat. And that completes the chorus, and we go back to the riff. Okay? That's pretty much the whole song. After the guitar solo, you're going to be playing these chords. You know, you could be doing your own little keyboard solo in there if you wanted to. And then to wrap it up, you go to the F, which will play the C, sorry, we'll play like this. Yep. And then we'll play the F. And that completes the guitar solo. That's really easy. A C chord, and then we'll play F just like this. And then back to the start. It always comes back to that riff after every chorus and after the guitar solo. So that is the song, guys. And one more thing I quickly want to show you is that if that's really easy, why not try doing 2 notes at the same time? And this is written into the score. This, this, this. So adding a G, a B flat and a C onto the top. We're doing fourths, playing in fourths. And that sounds really punchy when you're on your organ sound. Say we were in the band and we wanted to have like a really loud kind of stage sound. Maybe we'd go to something like 14. Ooh, 14 is cool rot. I think rot is short for rotary, like the sort of speaker that spins around like this. It's got a kind of spinny round kind of feel. Or that first part would sound cool with the organ sound. That sounds really nice with the organ sound. And that's similar sound to what they use in the recording. So I hope that makes sense, guys, that explanation of the Smoke on the Water notes on keyboard. Next video is me doing some of those parts with the metronome. So if you're ready for more, come back for the next video. Thank you.